90% of people don't know these sea animal names. Are you one of them? Watch now and test yourself. Discus fish. Discus fish. Catfish. Catfish. Eagle ray. Eagle ray. Axolotl. Axolotl. Clownfish. Clownfish. Garden eel. Garden eel. Emperor angelfish. Emperor angelfish. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. Parrotfish. Parrotfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Cowfish. Cowfish. Shark. Shark. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish. Flounder. Flounder. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Sockeye salmon. Sockeye salmon. Stingray. Stingray. Whale shark. Whale shark. Yellow tang. Yellow tang. Hermit crab. Hermit crab. Anglerfish. Anglerfish. Frogfish. Frogfish. Archerfish. Archerfish. Napoleon fish. Napoleon fish. Lionfish. Lionfish. Neon tetra. Neon tetra. Goby fish. Goby fish. Comb jelly. Comb jelly. Angelfish. Angelfish. Barracuda. Barracuda. Leafy sea dragon. Leafy sea dragon. Brook trout. Brook trout. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. Rainbow fish. Rainbow fish. Rockfish. Rockfish. Moray. Moray. Bluefin tuna. Bluefin tuna. Guppy. Guppy. Beluga whale. Beluga whale. Killer whale. Killer whale. Dolphin. Dolphin. Think you've learned enough? Not even close. The real challenge begins in my next video with the words you must know. Click now and upgrade your English in seconds.